'Tis the season for giving. Today, we're taking a closer look at Focusrite Scarlett audio interface to see if it deserves a spot on your gift list. Quiz time! What reindeer's name is also a symbol for Christmas? Choices: A. Dasher, B. Blitzen, C. Cupid, D. Vixen. Are you feeling like a Christmas expert? Comment your guess and stick around to see if you got it right. Hey there, festive friends! Are you ready to elevate your audio game this holiday season? Well, do I have an incredible gift suggestion for you? Picture this: you're sitting by the fire, sipping on some hot cocoa, and creating sweet holiday melodies with the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen audio interface. Now, let me tell you what makes this Scarlett 2i2 audio interface so special. It's like a magic portal that turns your humble abode into a top-notch recording studio. Don't let its compact size fool you. This USB audio interface is packed with studio quality features that deliver crystal clear sound for all your recording needs. So, why would you want to add this beauty to your holiday wish list? Well, imagine being able to capture every jingle and jangle of those holiday tunes with pristine clarity. Whether you're a budding musician, a podcasting pro, or a seasoned streamer, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 has got your back. Before we move on, there's something I'm really excited to share with you. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business? Well, now's the perfect time. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to turn that dream into reality. Millions of entrepreneurs around the world trust Shopify to power their online stores. You can create a beautiful, professional-looking store without any coding skills. Manage your products, track your inventory, and reach customers everywhere with their powerful marketing tools. Plus, they handle all the complicated stuff like payments and shipping, so you can focus on what you love. And with their 24/7 support team, help is always just a click away. So if you've been thinking about starting your own business, check out the link in the description below to start your free Shopify trial today. So, with that said, let's get back to it and finish up this review. With its easy-to-use design and superior sound quality, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Who would this audio interface be perfect for, you ask? Well, whether you're treating yourself or looking for the ultimate gift for that music-loving friend or family member, the Scarlett 2i2 is sure to bring joy and holiday cheer to anyone who's passionate about creating exceptional audio content. And here's the thing, this isn't just a gift for the holidays, it's a gift for a lifetime of musical memories and creative endeavors. So, why not sprinkle some holiday magic into your audio setup with the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen audio interface? Trust me, your ears will thank you. Alright friends, it's time to level up your audio game and spread some holiday cheer with this incredible studio quality audio interface. Make this holiday season one to remember with the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. Happy holidays, and may your music always be merry and bright. I asked the Focusrite Scarlett audio interface if it could make gingerbread houses. It said it's already working hard enough, but it's definitely sweet enough for the holidays. And the answer is C. Cupid. C. Cupid is the correct answer, because Cupid, traditionally known as a Roman god of love, has a name that is symbolically associated with love and giving. That concludes our festive review of Focusrite Scarlett audio interface. If this made your holiday shopping easier, share it, subscribe for more gift guides, and check out the link below for more details.